Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. I'm not feeling too great, but I'm not too bad. Yesterday I woke up with a little bit of a sinus cold, so my nose is all plugged up. Give you guys a little update regarding my window. So we'll get an appointment here in like 40 minutes. We're going to take off down the road. Alright, let's head out.
Continue on Township Road 724 for 1.5 kilometers. Destination is on the left.
So I'm freaking pumped, dude. I got my window fixed. So we're gonna go do some errands today. It's a little bit windy to do any drone flying, and I'm not sure exactly where I want to go yet. We're gonna go shopping first.
Head south.
Found the superstore. Time to go get some groceries. Found some meat on sale, some top sirloin grilling steak, and some strip loin. 30% off on both of them. That makes it out to about like $6 a steak or $6 a meal or something like that. It's a pretty darn good deal. Can't believe I found some good prices like that. This is just a treat, some farmer sausage, but we'll split it up into 4 meals, and that will be less than. This was $17, but if you split it 4 ways, just less than $5 a meal. So that's a pretty darn good meal. So I gotta break these meals down. I'm gonna cut the top sirloin steaks up a little bit because they're huge, and get these all frozen and put away. Well, there you go. You have it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 meals. 12 meals for less than $70. 12 meals for less than $60, which works out to be like $6-7 a steak. The strip loins are a little bit more expensive, but the top sirloins just taste as good, especially with the way I cook it, medium rare. And yeah, time to go throw this all in the freezer. That way I have food for the next couple weeks. Probably just throw 1 strip loin in the fridge for like tomorrow or something, or the next day, because it'll last a few days in the fridge. Not a big deal, and fresh steak's always better than frozen and then thawed. But when you're out in the bush, you don't exactly have a quick access meal just to walk down to the superstore. You know, sometimes superstore is 500-600 kilometers away, so it's always nice to have a little stockpile of meat, throw that in the freezer for when you're actually eating it. Now I'm going to stop handling my meat and go freeze it. Homemade granola bars. This one is really good. This one's peanut butter. And I made another one that's just cinnamon and coconut. They're really good granola bars. No sugar added. The only sweetness in it is honey and strawberry. Those are the only 2 pieces of sugar in here. They're so good. I can just eat them all day. So we're just on our way to go get some gas. Once we're done getting some gas, we'll go to the bank. Once I'm done at the bank, I'm done. So we haven't camped at the Walmart parking lot, and it is available to park at. So we're going to head down to Walmart, our local fair area to sleep at, and we're going to camp out there for the night. So we're going to hit the road and go find our spot. So the other place that I went to was Home Depot, and I ended up picking up this decorative paper. Now this is the same stuff I used in the car, if you haven't noticed, but it's a little bit different material. Now I didn't have any left from the last time, but I think this will work much better with the mouse, trying to play video games and doing video editing on that, because I didn't have a mouse pad. And I think this will be easier to clean up, because I noticed I spilt a little bit of strawberry on top of the wood. So we're going to cover it up with this, because I did not varathane, I didn't finish it, I didn't paint that piece of wood, I just left it. I just quickly sanded it, made sure the edges weren't too sharp, and called it good enough. And I was like, I'll just deal with it later. If I didn't like it, I'll change it. But I actually do like it. I'm quite fond of this board. I just wish I planned previously a place that I could put it, like just like somewhere I could slide it into the cupboard, and it's tucked away nice and neat. So remember that when you go to build your van. Put your desk somewhere safe, so when you're driving it doesn't fly around and hit somebody or hurt something or break a monitor. Now this stuff isn't very durable. It's very easy to scratch and rub off, so I'd just be careful. It's not a permanent solution, it's just a temporary solution. But this stuff resists stains, so that was one of the reasons why I've gotten it. Pull half of it in there. So looks good. I found one of my old pocket knives. She's sharp, so let's give it a good test here. Oh yeah. It's a nice knife. Let's try that again. There we go. I'm cutting into the wood. Beautiful. Now this stuff isn't like super sticky or anything, but it does the job, and it doesn't fall off. It's easy to wipe up. This would be my little dinner table. This is the only pattern I didn't mind. I didn't like the other ones. It was kind of too granny-ish. This was the least granny-ish I could find. And if you're watching this, Granny, I still love you. But granny stuff is granny stuff. But yeah, that's going to be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys liked today's quick little video. I got my window fixed. I went shopping. I got some budget-style meats. And I did a little 9 o'clock reno in Walmart parking lot. Alright, it's time for me to go to bed. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you guys next episode. Peace out.